get the door lined up, you know, have that even spacing, even gap all around, even on the floor, so it won't drag on the floor. That's when you can put the continuous hinge on and screw it in. Screw it in right there in the door. You know, make sure it's a nice flat, you know. You see it a little bit, but you know, it's still good. It's gonna open good. And you can see, that's the old door, it's the new door. So once you're done screwing it in, you can take out the support, the airbags, take out the top, and test your door. Look at that, brand new door, brand new swing, with a continuous hinge on it, all the way down, just like that. That's how you change out a door. Now, let's do this one. The only thing he said, he wants the gap in the middle, like maybe like a long weather stripping to fix it.